It is now possible with PowerPoint to record presentations. You can add audio over them and you can add video. You can even capture the screen. Um, this will show you a quick example. So if in this version we go to recording, now it is in the latest versions of PowerPoint, so you may have to upgrade or you may need to install a plugin, but that's case by case. But in the latest version we have the recording tab. We have an option to record a slideshow. If I hit record slideshow, it will then bring me to this page, and in here I can simply start to record. If I hit record, it will give me a countdown, and now I can start my lecture. Welcome to this lecture on blended learning, and more specifically looking at Moodle course design for blended learning. The first question we ask in this presentation is, what is a good Moodle course? With a highlight being there on good, so we can use the tools and the different pens to highlight areas, and we can then move on to the next slide and record something for this. And once we're finished, if we press stop, that will give us our slide recording. And you'll see now that every slide will have this symbol at the bottom. And if I was to go back to the second slide and hit play, the first question we ask in this presentation is, what is a good Moodle course? With a highlight being there on good, so we can use the tools and the different pens to highlight areas. So it gives you an idea of what it looks like, and once I'm finished I can simply close that, and then you'll see now, in the same as in PowerPoint, we have every bit has an audio or a video attached to it depending on what we're doing, and we can then export that to a video file. And we'll see down the bottom that that will begin exporting. So now that we've exported the video, I can open that file up, and you'll see I now have a video file. Now I can start my lecture. Welcome to this lecture on blended learning, and more specifically the first question we ask in this presentation is, what is a good Moodle course? With a highlight being there on good, so we can use the tools and the different. So we can see there that that has exported out a video that I can now upload to Moodle or YouTube or anywhere else that may host video, and that's a quick video lecture.